Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living again this week. You know, I love spare ribs, and to be honest with you, I've always enjoyed eating them when someone else cooked them, but I never really tried them myself. So I decided this week to give it a try. You know what? First time out the bat, not bad, I gotta tell you. So, you want to see how I did that? Come follow me along on this video. My God, what did you eat? You're going to need all these spices to get started with these ribs. And a nice rack of ribs. I chose Smithfield. Let's get this bad boy cut open. Rinse it off in some water. Put it back on the cutting board here. There you go, guys. This is the toughest part of the whole job, getting that fat off of the back. It gave me a tough time. I tried everything. It's slippery. Grab a paper towel and grab a hold of it with a paper towel and pull and pull. You see, I'm making some progress here. I switched to my razor blade to do the second half. Still giving me a hard time. Cutting and cutting and cutting. Here we go. Time to rinse it off in some water. There you have it, folks. Set that aside. Set the baking dish up in a sheet of aluminum for the first half of my rack of ribs. There you go. Does that look pretty? These are the spices you're going to need to make the rub for one of the best tasting ribs I've ever had. Mix that all together. Some Dijon mustard. You got it. Put the Dijon mustard on, rub that all around. Spread some rub all around. There you go. How's that looking? Some more mustard, some more rub. Set that aside. Ready for round two. Another sheet of foil. Second rack of ribs. More mustard. You got it. More rub. Keep this going. Flip it. Mustard. Rub. Close this all up. Close it up to keep the flavor inside and let the juices stay inside. When I'm all done, I'm going to put this in the oven for 3 hours. I started at 225, raised it to 250 halfway through. There you go. Into the oven. And now, after 3 hours, we're ready for round two here, guys. Unfold it. Ready? Here you got it. Brown sugar, more flavor. Add some butter and some brown sugar. Oh yeah, that's going to melt together. And add to the rub that we put on there, create even more flavor. Drain that grease off. Put that back into the oven for about another hour. Let that cook some more. Continue straight on at 250. More butter, more brown sugar. Oh yeah. Close it back up. Back into the oven. And now after an hour, we're ready for round three. Drain off that grease. Open it up. Yep. There you go. Sweet baby rays. Brush that on one side. Flip it over. Brush it again. You can see it's already falling apart. I put it back in the oven for 15 minutes, uncovered this time. Had to give you a little bit of crispness to it. Brush it on. Brush on some more sweet baby rays. Drain off the grease. Back into the oven for 15 minutes. There you go, guys. There it is. The best tasting ribs I've ever tasted in a long time. They cut apart nice and easy after they've been cooking for that amount of time. All separated out. Check that out. See how easy that's cutting? Very nice. And get it all set up to put it on a display plate. I tell you, I had a problem keeping the meat on the bones as I was pulling these off of the baking tray. Oh my. Absolutely divine. What do you think, Mabel? Not bad. Where's the potatoes at? Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that is cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living. Making cooking fun again. Don't forget, if you liked it, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Don't forget to remember to thank our Creator. My prayer is that Jesus would keep you safe until we meet again. Thanks again.